Chapter 25. Get the ball rolling. A free kick in 2 acts. The cast: Mum, Dad, Evan 12, Lydia 10, Rose 4, Granny, Grandad. Showtime: now or any time you like. Tickets: not necessary. Written by the authors. The Imagination Theatre. Act 1. Mr. and Mrs. Saunders and their 3 children, Evan, Lydia and Rose, are sitting in the living room together with the children's grandmother.
Hey, I'm off to Stephen's house for some training. We've got an important game on Saturday.
I don't think that's a good idea, young man. You've got homework to do and you've got a test tomorrow.
Did you forget about that, Evan? The maths test?
No, Dad, but that test is a piece of cake.
Oh, I'm so lucky. No test and no homework. No homework at all.
Homework? Oh, I want homework. I love homework.
Come on, Rose. I don't think you understand. Homework's no fun at all.
Well, you must understand that school is important, Evan. You must work hard to get good results. Remember that.
You're right, Mother. School is important. You have to do your homework, Evan, as I always did when I was your age.
I wouldn't talk about that if I were you, Harry.
Well, our school will skip homework next term, so it can't be very important.
I can play football with Stephen. I've got a match this weekend too. And no homework.
Can I go with you, Lydia? I love football.
Act 2. Grandad enters the room.
Hello, everybody. I'm back.
Hello, Grandad. Did you have a nice time?
Yes, really good. But how about some football? I want to play. Let's go outside.
I'm sorry, but I still think Evan must do his homework.
Please, Mum. I can do the bicycle kick now. I want to show Grandad.
Bicycle kick? Oh, Evan, please don't kick my bicycle.
I didn't know bikes were allowed on the pitch.
They aren't, Mother. The bicycle kick is a football trick. You have your back towards the goal, and then you...
I know what it is, Harry. I was only joking.
Go get the ball, Lydia. Come on, hurry up.
But what about me then?
OK, you've got an important game on Saturday and I hope you're prepared enough for tomorrow's test. So, let's all go outside then.
Wow, I love football. I'll be goalie.
No, you'll be striker and I'll be goalie.
And I'll be ref, so behave or I'll give you all a yellow card. Now, where's the whistle?